This is your girl, the Pixie Goddess Tarot, and this reading is going to be for Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, and Venus signs from the 21st of June to the 27th of June. Let's get started. You've got the Chariot card, a lot of movement in your life. This could be emotional, physical, mental movement, moving from old residences, workplaces, countries, cities to new places where your heart actually resides. You've got the High Priestess. Some of you could be moving towards further education, and that is why you have to relocate, with the Chariot card being there. You've got Justice. Some of you could be dealing with some legal issues that are ending, and the verdict is going to be in your favor, Aries. Three of Swords. Okay. Now, with the Three of Swords, of course, this is a really painful card, and I have a feeling that a bunch of you are moving away from a place because you guys landed yourself in a third party situation and things didn't really work out the way you had expected them to work out, and that just pushed you into a very dark place, painful place, and now you gotta move on to rejuvenate, relax, and preserve yourself, basically. You've got the Moon card. A Pisces person could be important to you. Someone could have kept some secrets from you, which when came out in the light, they pushed you into a very dark space. It could be a romantic relationship, could be a family thing, could be anything. Somebody very close to you told you something that pushed you into a very dark space. King of Wands. You're moving towards a more passionate life, a life where you are the ruler, where you are empowered, where you are passionately driven towards everything and anything that you desire, Aries. You've also got the Ten of Pentacles. You are moving towards prosperity. That is what I was trying to say. You're moving towards mental, physical, emotional, financial stability. You've also got the Four of Pentacles, not Swords. Right now you want to be closed off to love, to any kind of emotional beginning. If someone's trying to pursue you emotionally, like for a romantic relationship or something, you are very closed off. You're concentrating on your finances, on your life, because of course you've been through some painful situations and you want to concentrate on preserving rather than giving something to people, which is okay, which is great, because self-preservation comes first, Aries. Walking away from things and situations and people that do not serve you anymore. Great card. A lot of movement is happening, lots of new beginnings, new passionate beginnings in career, and sometimes I'd recently mentioned to someone that your heart needs to be cracked open for the light to seep in, A lot of times when our heart is broken, that is when we realize our true calling, because then we've hit rock bottom. And once you hit rock bottom, you can't really go below that, right? You can only rise. So yeah, this is your rock bottom part, and you're moving towards growth now. For my Aries people, it's all up to you. At the end of the day, free will is everything, guys. You don't need to worry about anything. If you do not want to pursue someone, something, anything for that matter, it's all up to you. If you want something, it's all up to you. It starts with you, it ends with you, Aries. Nobody can make you do things, make you feel a certain way, or force you to be something if you don't want to be. something like that. Okay, if you don't want to do something, nobody can force you into doing that. You're a very headstrong sign, and I'm sure you're going to get out of this. Never forget, you're always the boss of your own life. Okay. A fiery climax approaches. Aries, this is your card. These are your energies. Meditate and contemplate. Prosperity lies ahead. Taurus person could be important to you. And a time for healing. Yes, these are just clarifications, confirmations to the tarot card reading, because these are oracle. So yeah, these are just confirmations. 2 affirmation cards for my Aries people. I am unapologetic about what I desire and trust that what I focus on will grow. Make sure you focus on only the things that you want to grow, because right now you're at a point in life where if you think about something, you'll manifest it. So make sure you think about the things that you really want. Okay? Thank you, universe, for helping me see beyond the limits of fear. Thank you for expanding my perceptions so that I can see what is of the highest good. Amazing cards, Aries. Little ups and downs, yes, but I have a lot of idols, and one of them, I can't take names, but they've said that if it's a straight line, if life is like this, it means you're dead. If it's like this, ups and downs, roadblocks, detours, delays, these are signs of you being alive. A heartbeat on the machine, it's like this, right? If it's like this, we're dead. So Aries, I hope this reading made sense to you. If it did, please like, share, subscribe. It really means the world to me. And if you're already a subscriber, thank you. This is Pixie Goddess Tarot saying bye-bye.